You might have heard how a few affiliate insiders are making money with Google and YouTube. They just find a profitable keyword, get free traffic, and make huge affiliate commissions. And with over 3.5 billion searches every day, it's no secret that Google is the #1 way to get free traffic and make money in February 2018. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. How do you actually get free traffic from these $1,000 a day keywords and then turn it into huge affiliate commissions? Well, that's where the Traffic Titan 3.0 comes in, ready to change the game for February 2018. And in case you're wondering, what exactly does a Traffic Titan actually do? Here's the easy 5-step formula that me and my Traffic Titans follow. Step 1. First, I use my niche money software to find over 100 7-figure niches for e-commerce, Amazon, ClickBank and JVZoo affiliates. Niches that you can target and rank quickly on Google and YouTube, suck in free traffic, and earn big-time affiliate commissions. Now, niche money is preloaded with thousands of profitable keywords for each of these niches, so simply choose your niche and move on to the next step. Step 2. Now at this point we have a list of thousands of profitable keywords for our niche, and we know that just any one of these buyer keywords could make us thousands of dollars per day. But how do we know which of these keywords will give us free traffic in a matter of hours? Well, the great news is we do this automatically with my Keyword Titan tool. Simply log into Keyword Titan and search for the niche money buyer keywords. The software automatically flags the keywords that are easy to rank for on Google and YouTube. These are low competition keywords that we can target for fast and easy traffic. And since we already know that these keywords are ultra profitable, even one quick ranking can make us thousands of dollars. Step 3. Now we've found the best low competition big money keywords. So it's time to actually rank on Google and YouTube, get free traffic and actually make money. Now this is the most important step of all, which is why I use 2 powerful new approaches. Firstly, we can rank YouTube videos on Google without even needing a website. And the easiest way to create these types of videos is with my website to image and image to video softwares. Start by launching the website to image software, which is preloaded with over 100 top affiliate programs. Now choose the affiliate program you like, and then select parts of the sales letter you want to use in your promotional video. Then click export to create your video campaign and head over to my image to video tool. Image to video is the fastest way to create YouTube videos that get free traffic and commissions, and it's so easy to use. Simply import the campaign file we just created and hit go. Then render your video and put it live on YouTube in seconds. It may sound incredible, but it's taken us less than 2 minutes to choose a niche, find a profitable keyword, pick a red hot affiliate program, and create a YouTube video. But we aren't even done yet. Step 4. Get free Google traffic. Now, like I say, we can use videos to get free YouTube traffic, but we can also rank websites on Google too. And that brings me to my second approach. Using my Domainaveli software and my Titan WordPress theme, we can also launch Google-friendly websites in seconds. Now here's how it works. First, I use my Domainaveli software to find the best domain names for each keyword. Domainaveli runs over 100 domain searches to find the best available domain name. Choose from dozens of extensions, let the software suggest names for you, or even browse through our database of premium domains for all the top niches. Now we simply register our domain name and install my Done For You Titan theme. This gives you a Google-compliant WordPress authority site in seconds. Now, of course, it's optimized for free Google and YouTube traffic, but it's also built to monetize, so you can turn the streams of free traffic into instant cash profits. It's with this type of traffic that I'm able to get money like this and traffic like this. Can you see how easy all of this is? Making money from Google and YouTube has never been this simple. And it doesn't stop there. Now that our videos and websites are getting free traffic and commissions, it's time to scale up to the big money. And that's where my SitesDB software comes in. SitesDB contains thousands of websites that we can get traffic from. Each website is broken down by niche, age, amount of traffic and number of backlinks. Plus, we've scanned each site for 8 exclusive traffic opportunities. Adverts that we can run on, AdSense we can run ads on, affiliate programs we can join, email lists we can promote to, Facebook campaigns we can target, even the who is email of the site. It's the ultimate database of low-hanging traffic opportunities, all the top affiliate niches. And in case you thought that wasn't enough, you're entirely right, because we've also included a new tool, FlipDB, which displays hundreds of websites from the auction site Flipper. All of these sites are making anywhere from $200,000 to $26,000 per month, and all the sites are broken down by 8 key metrics: monthly earnings, Alexa traffic for the site, SEO and PPC profits for the site, plus whether the site has an email list, Facebook page, Twitter page, or video. That's 8 filterable metrics across 360 sites, 360 profitable sites that you can JV and partner with, even more traffic potential. And in case you thought I was done, I've actually saved the best for last. Presenting ProClub, the newest addition to the Titan family. ProClub is the place for you to find new affiliate programs launching right now, with hundreds of new product launches on JVZoo, ClickBank and WarriorPlus. ProClub displays product information, JV prizes, price, commission, one-click access to the affiliate link, plus YouTube and Google competition so we can see which six-figure launches are easiest to rank for. ProClub even displays JV updates for every product in the database, giving you up-to-the-minute information on any launch in just one click. Now, no one else has access to this secret affiliate database, meaning you can exploit the top internet marketing product launches on the planet for maximum profits. So there you have it. Traffic Titan 3.0 is a fresh new way to look at free traffic in February 2018. Titans only get free traffic from Google for the most profitable keywords and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the keyword we choose, the website we launch, or the video we create, we are instantly locked in on the money. And as of February 2018, we're finally playing the Google keyword game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor, and doing it with my automated Google and YouTube loophole. It's the exact affiliate system that made me $2,000 per day in JVZoo affiliate commissions. It's the exact system that has made me $6,000 per day with ClickBank, Google and YouTube. And it's the exact system you've been crying out for since you first heard about people making money with free traffic. And that's all there is to it. Can you imagine the kind of results you'd get with a new, free traffic software this powerful? Well, stop imagining. Let me show you the rock-solid proof that's possible. Just look at my JVZoo profits, look at the ClickBank cash I'm able to get with this, the leads I'm pulling in purely with my software, or the targeted traffic that I can drive wherever I want. So, are you ready to take your Google and YouTube profits to the next level? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the Traffic Titan tool suite, including Niche Money, preloaded with over 100 profitable niche keyword lists for ClickBank, Amazon, JVZoo and e-commerce. Keyword Titan, find easy keyword opportunities with low competition on Google and YouTube. Website to Image, which creates affiliate campaigns in seconds for over 100 JVZoo and ClickBank programs. Image to Video, that auto creates profitable YouTube videos for any affiliate program in 60 seconds. Domainaveli, which allows you to discover hidden premium domain names with the ultimate website name software. Titan Theme, a WordPress theme custom built for Google traffic that ranks for keywords fast. SitesDB, a database of thousands of websites and traffic opportunities for all the biggest niches. FlipDB, a database of 360 websites making up to $26,000 per month from the auction site Flipper. ProClub, a database of hundreds of new affiliate program launches on ClickBank, JVZoo and WarriorPlus. And that's just the Traffic Titan software. You'll also get $1,000 worth of training with 5 complete systems covering Facebook, YouTube, affiliate marketing, Google SEO, a quick start guide that walks you through all of the softwares in one simple PDF document, plus videos where I explain all of my secret tricks. Tips like these. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. This is on a strictly first come, first served basis. So once the price discount ends, I'll have to start charging $147 per month for each license I sell. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the PayPal page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally make money with free Google and YouTube traffic. This opportunity will only last so long, and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.